Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I make Thai bubble tea. I will start with boiling some tapioca pearl. The amount of the tapioca pearl is on your choice, so just make as many as you want. When we see all the pearls start to flow onto the top, turn off the heat and cover the saucepan with a lid. Leave it there in about 2 to 3 more minutes. Next, we will use hot water to steep the Thai tea. One of the things I like about the Thai tea is the color. Leave the Thai tea bag in the hot water until all the tea comes out, so you can see the beautiful orange later. During the time we wait for the tea, I will mix some Coffee Mate powder to make the drink creamier. Let's get back to our tapioca pearls. Run them through a strainer. Then in a bowl, add in brown sugar and the pearls. Mix everything well. The brown sugar will give the pearls sweet taste, but it won't be too sweet. Add condensed milk into the Coffee Mate earlier. Stir well before we pour in the tea. Don't forget to give the bag some good squeezes. The final ingredient will be the tapioca pearls. Then add some ice in and then our drink will be ready. If you try this recipe and you like it, please share a photo with me on my Instagram. Don't forget to thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come back with more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!